Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a purple background for this one, and I'm going to use some really nice, bright, vibrant colours. And I have a few things planned for this one, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll jump in where I feel I need to. So hope you keep up with me. So here's for some really bright pop your socks off colours, but these colours will be kind of covered up and I'll be bringing them out in the end product, so they definitely are all going to be there and stand out in the end. So it's basically is neon green, and that's a neon yellow. So there's some really nice bright colours in it. That is, not neon, fluoro, and this is fluoro tangerine, believe it or not. So there were some fluoro colours I had sitting there, and I thought, like, what better to put it into a really nice, vibrant piece. And that is the cool red, and I'm just going to make sure I add a few dark colours to make the other colours pop.
Turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another peach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioned blues. Could use some too. Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love, remember when we were getting nowhere fast, when the garden won't stop giving back. Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass, I could really use some stuff like that.
I did do a little blowout there because no cells formed there, and I've got plans for this when it dries, so I want to do a few of the balloon kisses in it because, as I said, I have plans for it when it's dry. But I did a little blowout, see if I could bring some of the colours up, but I think that the balloon is going to do a good job of bringing up my colours that I want. So I will just continue on. Oh, look at that, with the balloon. So then you see all of those gorgeous vibrant colours that you know that I've put there are all going to be brought back to life because you're bringing them back up again. So, and I want to keep areas of those lovely cells. You can definitely put this onto a canvas or onto a gift card, make your own gift cards out of the balloon kisses. That's gorgeous. Do a few through here. You just wipe your balloon off in between every balloon kiss. It just helps the knot to muddy up and put a load of paint back on it again. So, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just such a nice relaxing pastime, I find. Yeah, you can do your balloon any which way. You can lay it like the potato look, or you can do it straight down. And they're all the different the ways that you kiss it onto the canvas. They all create a different effect from each other, so it's quite interesting really. And these little balloon kisses, I'll push it straight down at the edge to do the smaller ones and then give it a little roll off. I'm thinking that's gorgeous. Now I've actually got to let this fully dry to do my next stage on this, which is, well, you will see. So let's bring a little bit more of that colour up there where it's quite dark. Just kiss the balloon in, wipe the balloon, and then re-kiss it. You've got plenty of paint to fall back into that area. That should be fine. These cells here are just gorgeous, really gorgeous. Okay, now I have got to leave it. It might take a day or two to fully dry, but that's all part of the process with fluid art. It doesn't dry very quickly because it's all liquid paint basically. So we'll leave that now, and I might just bring my camera down to show you some of those gorgeous cells though, because it is beautiful. Okay, I just wanted to show you some of the gorgeous cells because you can't often see them from the camera's angle, and they are quite sparkly because there was a few of metallics in those paints, so it kind of makes it real sparkly looking. Look at that. Yeah, that's quite gorgeous. So I'm just, you know, fingers crossed that it dries beautifully for my next stage. Looks like a gorgeous sunset. So let's hope. Fingers crossed. I just haven't had time to do anything with it since it dried. It's dried a little bit darker on the background, but it's fine as it is. But I do plan something further down the track for it, so I will definitely let you see how it ends up. But this is how it's looking at the moment.